Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style channel, and today we're going to talk about monthly crypto market update. And we will figure out, is it still bearish trend or it changed? Please subscribe for all my channels and click like button to support the channel. Thank you so much. Let's move to Webull. If you want to learn about Webull setup, just go to description. There is the link about Webull setup. And also other links to all my trainings. Let's do monthly review. Monthly, okay, let me tell you briefly about my setup. I'm using moving averages and 3 indicators. Moving averages, white line MA200, purple line MA100, blue line MA50, yellow line MA20, red line MA10, green line MA5. MACD indicator, red line signal line, green line, it's a MACD line. When green line cross the signal line, red line, uptrend, it's a bullish crossover. When it cross green line to red line downtrend, it's a bearish crossover. It also has green, it's a bullish histogram, red, it's a bearish histogram. And it's a main indicator. The second one is RSI. RSI has the same setup. Red line is a signal line, green line it's the RSI line, and yellow line it's 70 it's overbought and 30 it's oversold territory. Also oscillator, green it's a bullish, red it's a bearish. That's all. Let's start it. Monthly dollar. Bearish trend. Yeah, it started bearish trend. It didn't conform. MACD still didn't conform. It's still kind of in the RSI already did. It's already bearish crossover. Also oscillator already changed to bearish. It's red, bearish signal. On MACD still green. We'll see. 3 months in a row. Month is not over, but 3 months in a row is still bearish. It's in a red bar. We'll see what will happen. Maybe it will bounce from May 10. I don't know. We'll see. Monthly, still bearish. Still kind of. Okay. On the MACD, I still have to say it's bullish. It's bullish because it's still green and no bearish crossover yet. And same on the MACD. MA5 didn't crossover MA10. It's no confirmation for bearish crossover. What we like in simple trading style, we like when all indicators align in the same trend, like awesome oscillator red, RSI bearish crossover, MACD bearish crossover, and moving averages bearish crossover. That's the best setup. That's the best setup for the one direction, when you have all indicators aligned in the same direction. When you have mix, it's kind of 50-50, right? That's why now it's kind of still, yeah, some indicators already bearish, like 2 indicators bearish, but 2 indicators still bullish. It's still in the mixed mode monthly, right? But weekly, it's already, it's still, yeah, bearish, right? In weekly, it's already changed direction to bearish. Monthly is still kind of in the mixed mode, but it's still bullish. But weekly, it's already bearish since October 27. Already bearish, and it touched MA50. Maybe will bounce from MA50. Okay, that's what we have. And the second one, I do not trade on the monthly or weekly, right? I do monitor it just for the understanding direction and trend of the market, general. But for investors, some investors it's good because some investors can use it for investment, because they do not do trading. They do not trade every day or weekly. They trade once a month, once every other month, or once a year. It depends. Depends on the trading style. Everyone has unique and personal trading style. Even if you use my simple trading style, it will be absolutely different. You will use the main main signals like I do, but it will be different because you will use different time frame. You will trade on the not only 5 minutes, you will trade on the 10 minutes, let's say intraday. You will use 10 minutes, 30 minutes. Everyone is different, and it's absolutely acceptable because it works on any time frames. Okay, let's move to weekly dollar. It's bearish. It's bullish for stock market. On monthly, it's bearish. It's bullish for stock market, right? No, I'm sorry. On the monthly, it's bullish. It's still bearish for stock market. Okay, let's move to Apple. Apple monthly. What's going on? My Webull slow. Apple monthly bearish trend, bearish crossover since bearish crossover, and on MA5 even did bearish crossover over MA20. Bearish trend, fully bearish trend monthly. Apple in a bearish trend. Weekly, on all indicators, bearish trend. Weekly, Apple is bearish also, right? All indicators, last bar below all moving averages except 200. It's still below. MACD bearish, RSI bearish, also oscillator bearish on weekly. No changes, bearish trend on weekly and monthly. Let's move to Qs. Monthly. Let's see what we have. Qs monthly, bearish trend since New Year, right? Monthly since New Year, bearish trend. MACD change directions, bearish trend on all indicators. No changes. It stopped for last 1, 2, 3, 4 months. 4 months it stopped at the May. Let me remove this one. I think it should be like this, yeah. It stopped at the May 50, right? Let me remove it because, we want to clear. May 50, for last 4 months, it stopped at the May 50. Maybe it will bounce from May 50. We'll see. May 50 is a strong support level. Monthly still bearish. Let's check weekly. Weekly it was bullish and it's still kind of bullish. It stopped at May 200 and it can bounce from May 200, but we'll see. We'll see if it can bounce from May 200 or it will cross it will do bearish crossover over May 200 and move lower. On the RSI, it already did bearish crossover. On MACD, no confirmation yet. On awesome oscillator, no confirmation yet also. And no confirmation on the moving averages. It's still bullish on weekly. And support to MA 200. Let's check VXN, volatility index for Qs, monthly, just direction. It's a bearish, right? Monthly, it's a bearish. Weeks, bearish. Weeks bearish on all indicators. And Qs bearish also. Weeks bearish on monthly and Qs bearish on monthly. It should be opposite. Investors, they do not buy protection. Bearish and bearish. Weeks should be bullish. Okay, let's move to SPY. SPY monthly. Bearish trend on monthly, right? SPY monthly. On the MACD, still bearish, no bullish crossover. On the MACD, bearish trend. On RSI, bearish trend. On awesome oscillator, still bearish trend. Okay, let's check weekly. Let's check weekly. Weekly, it's a bullish. right? On monthly it's a bearish, but on weekly it's a bullish, and it's kind of trying to change direction. The last bar closed below MA 5, 10, 20, and it wants to go bearish. It wants to go. RSI already did bearish crossover. Let's see. It's still bullish trend, but it wants kind of to do correction. No. Weekly still bullish. Still bullish. Let's check weeks. Weeks monthly volatility index for SPY. Monthly. It's a bearish also, yeah. And SPY bearish also. It's kind of weird for monthly time frame. Let's move to Dow Jones monthly. Let me turn off my lines. Dow Jones monthly. It's bearish, right? It's a bearish since New Year, and it's a bearish, but it's recently, like last 3 months. 3 months ago, it bounced from MA 50. MA 50 very strong support. It bounced from it, and now, and it stays at the MA 20. MA 20, MACD kind of changing direction, RSI changing direction, Osmos letter already green. It's kind of, it looks like it wants to go bullish, right? It wants to go bullish on monthly, but no confirmation yet. No confirmation yet. Even MA 5 didn't cross over MA 10 yet. But bars above MA 5 and 10 and 20, it's a bullish signal. We'll see. Month is not over. We'll see what we will get in this by end of this month. Next week it can be rally and can be green. Never know. It's kind of still bearish, but it has all bullish signals. Weekly it's a different, right? Weekly it's already bullish. It was bullish since since October. It was bullish since it bounced from MA 200. MA 200 was strong support. Bounced from MA 200, and for last 2 weeks it's a bearish, and it's trying to change bearish. It's trying to do bearish divergence. It wants to go. It looks like it will go to MA 200, and it will revisit the bottom, close the gap, touch the MA 200 again, and bounce from it. Still bullish weekly bullish, monthly bearish. VXD volatility index for Dow. Let's see monthly. It's a bearish, bearish on all indicators. Monthly, Dow bearish and VIX bearish. Okay, let's move to IWM monthly. IWM Russell 2000 monthly. Russell 2000 monthly, bearish trend. MACD bearish, RSI bearish. Awesome oscillator already has 2 green bars. MA5, MA5 was trying to do bullish crossover, but it didn't happen. Last bar stopped at MA50. We'll see if it will continue to do sell-off or it will bounce. So far it's still bearish, only awesome oscillator green. And on MA50 in this case very strong support, because for last how many 8 months IWM sits at the MA50. 8 months already. 8 months already. It's like here, right? It was at the MA50 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. Then it bounced quickly. We'll see what happened here. It's kind of accumulating mode to bounce uptrend, or it will cross MA50 and it will go downtrend. I don't know, we'll see. At least next year we will revisit this low. We will release this low. It will be next year. For now, we are still bearish. Let's check weekly. Let's check weekly. Weekly, it was bullish and it's still kind of bullish, but it's changing direction to bearish. MACD changing direction. RSI already did bearish crossover. Oscillator still green. Still green. Volume still good. And MA5 wants to do bearish crossover also, but last bar stopped at the MA200. We'll see. MA200 very strong support. Maybe it will bounce from MA200. If not, if it goes down, it will be bearish crossover. It will be bearish trend weekly also. Monthly bearish. Weekly still kind of bullish with bearish possibility, but daily it's already bearish, right? Daily it's already bearish. That's what we have. Let's do summary. All indexes monthly in a bearish mode, and weekly they're in the bullish mode. Like Qs, let's see, weekly, all indexes weekly on the bullish mode, monthly in the bearish mode, and daily they're in the bearish mode. That's what we have. Daily bearish, weekly bullish, monthly bearish. Next, we'll see next week. Next week will be and bearish or bullish, and we'll see how should be Christmas rally, and we'll see how month will end next week. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching it. Let's move to disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. Please read it. Thank you for watching simple trading style video, and I do also publish updates for stocks, ETFs, options, cryptos, and please, if you like it, please subscribe for the old channel, for all my channels, YouTube channel. You will get notification and you will get updates about all my videos. Please click like button to support the channel. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.